In the last session, we have discussed how to construct the quadrilaterals if 5 sides and 4 sides one angle is given. Now, in this exercise, we are going to see if you have given 4 sides and one diagonal, how to construct a quadrilateral we are going to see in this exercise. In that, see the first problem in exercise 3.2, first question. So here, in exercise 3.2, what is the first question given here? You need to construct the quadrilateral. Which quadrilateral you need to construct? ABCD. And they have given the measurements with AB is equal to 4.5 centimeters and then BC is equal to 5.5 centimeters and CD is equal to 4 centimeters. AD is equal to 6 centimeters and AC is equal to 7 centimeters. Here, this is the question they have given. You need to construct the quadrilateral based on these measurements. So, in this exercise, we are going to learn how to construct a quadrilateral if you have given 4 sides and one diagonal. Now, if you want to know what are those 4 sides and what is the diagonal, you need to draw the rough sketch. First, let us draw the rough sketch here. What is the quadrilateral name given? ABCD. So, let us draw the rough sketch like this and name it as A, B, C, D. And let us mark what are the measurements we have known here. So, what is AB, which is 4.5? That means this length is given as 4.5 centimeters. And BC, which is 5.5. This length is 5.5. And after that CD, this length CD is 4 centimeters. And after that they have given AD, which is 6 centimeters. So, what is AD? Which is nothing but 6 centimeters. And here you can observe that 4 sides are given. Let us see the other side, which is AC, which is 7. What is AC? Is nothing but joining the opposite vertices. You know that a line segment joining the opposite vertices, we call it as a diagonal. So here one of the diagonal which is given here, which is 7 centimeters. Clearly, by using this rough sketch, you can come to know here they have given 4 sides and one diagonal. If you have given 4 sides and one diagonal, how to draw the quadrilateral? So here you can observe that this diagonal divides this quadrilateral into 2 triangles, right? Here you can observe that above here one triangle is there and below here one triangle is there. This diagonal dividing this quadrilateral into 2 triangles. Now, first let us draw one triangle. So here you know that what is the triangle that is lying on the base, which is ABC. So first you need to construct the triangle which is ABC. So first you need to draw AB of length 4.5 centimeters. And from B you need to make an arc of 5.5 centimeters. At this point, make an arc of here which is 5.5 centimeters. Since we need to construct the triangle first, so here at A you need to make an arc of 7 centimeters. So at this point A, make an arc of 7 centimeters. Then you will get here one intersection point, name it as C, because here A, B, C, D. So now join this side and this side, which is AC and BC. Now clearly we got here one triangle. Now we need to mark one more vertices here. So from A, make an arc of 6 centimeters. At this point, make an arc of 6 centimeters. Since here we got one intersection point, at that intersection point, make an arc of 4 centimeters. So again here we got one intersection point, name it as D and join AD and join C. So that you will get an white quadrilateral which is ABCD. Like that we need to construct if you have given 4 sides and one diagonal. How do you construct? First, if you have given any one diagonal, you need to construct the triangle first. After that, you can mark the remaining points. Now see, with the help of the geometrical instruments, how do you construct this quadrilateral? So first you need to make a length of 4.5. So with the help of the scale, you know that in between 4 and 5 you will get 4.5. here this is the length which is 4.5. Name it AB, which is 4.5 centimeters. So first you need to construct the triangle. Now with the help of the compass, take an arc of 5.5. In between 5 and 6 you will have 5.5. So here this is 5.5 in between 5 and 6, and up to 0 you need to take. So this is the length of 5.5. So at this point make an arc of 5.5. Since here we need one more intersection, since we need here intersection point, we need to make one more arc which is nothing but a diagonal, which is given as AC, which is 7 centimeters. So take an arc of which is, take the length of 7 centimeters. This is 7 centimeters. Now at this point make an arc of 7 centimeters. Clearly you can observe here we got an intersection point. Let us mark that intersection point as C. This is C. Now if you want to construct a triangle, you can join both the sides here. Let us join A and C. This is the intersection point. Now join A and C, and similarly join B and C. Now here we got one triangle. Now we need to know the other vertices. We need to mark the other vertices. So here again, here what is the distance given here? AD, the distance given as 6 centimeters. Now here you need to take 6 centimeters length. So let us keep here 6 centimeters, and up to 0 you need to take the radius. This is 6 centimeters. So at this point A, you need to make an arc of 6 centimeters. So, and after that, you know that the CD length which is 4 centimeters. So again take 4 centimeters length. So at point C, here make an arc of 4 centimeters. So if you make an arc of 4 centimeters here, again we got it here one more intersection point. Let us name it as D. Now you got one intersection point here. We can join these lines here. So join A and D. And similarly here you can join C and D. Right? So we got the quadrilateral here. Let us mark the measurements. What is BC here, which is given as 5.5 centimeters, and the diagonal which is 7 centimeters, and this is 4 centimeters, and this is 6 centimeters. Now you need to write the steps of construction. So how you can write the steps of construction? So I write for one remaining problems in exercise 3.2. You can write the steps of construction similarly in this way. So how do you write the steps of constructions here? The first step, what we have drawn first one triangle. So here draw triangle ABC and write it directly. There is no need to draw AB of length 4.5 centimeters from B, make an arc of 4.5, and from A again make an arc of 7.7 centimeters, and join AC and join BC, then you will get a triangle. But there is no need to write all these steps, directly write it here. Draw triangle. First which triangle we have drawn? First we need to know by seeing the last stage, right? First we have drawn the triangle ABC. Draw triangle ABC with what are the measurements? AB is equal to 4.5 centimeters, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeters, and AC is equal to 7 centimeters. By taking these measurements, we have constructed one triangle. So, and after that, what is the second point? From vertex A, make an arc of 6 centimeters. So, write it here. From vertex A, draw an arc of 6 centimeters. So, again, what is our next step? From vertex C, draw an arc of 4 centimeters. So, write it here, the third step. From vertex C, draw an arc of 4 centimeters. So, from vertex C we have draw an arc of 6 centimeters, and similarly from vertex C we have draw an arc of 4 centimeters. And so that we got an one intersection point and name it as an D. And write it here and mark the intersection point as D. And after that what we have done? We have joined AD and CD. So write it here, join A and B and C and D. So after joining all these one, what we got? We got the quadrilateral which is ABCD. So write it here, the last one. So the required quadrilateral is ABCD. Like that you need to draw when you have given 4 sides and 1 diagonal. If you have given 4 sides and 1 diagonal, first you need to draw the triangle so that you will come to know the other vertices. That one you can mark it and after that join it so that you will get the required quadrilateral. Now see the next problem. In exercise 3.2, the second question, this one is similar to that of the first question. That one you can do it as an homework. Now see the next question, third question. Here you need to construct parallelogram. Here they have specified what we need to construct here, parallelogram. So write the measurements here, parallelogram ABCD with AB is equal to 6 centimeters, AD is equal to 4.5 centimeters and BD is equal to 7.5 centimeters. So here you need to construct the parallelogram and they have given how many measurements here? They have given 3 measurements, and in this exercise we already discussed here. We are drawing the quadrilateral if you have given 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Now let us see what are the remaining 2 sides. We can find the remaining 2 sides or 1 diagonal based on the rough sketch. How to? We'll see by taking the rough sketch. By based on the properties of the parallelogram, we will come to know what are the remaining 2 lengths of the measurement. So for that you need to draw the rough sketch here. What is the given here? ABCD, and they said that it is a parallelogram. So let's draw one parallelogram like this and mark it as ABCD. Just it is a rough sketch and write the measurements what we have known here. What is the length of AB, which is 6 centimeters. So in place of AB write it here 6 centimeters. And what is the next given, which is AD. What is the length of AD? 4.5. This is also one side. They have given as 4.5. And what is the next one given here? BD, which is 7.5. What is BD? Is nothing but we are joining the opposite vertices here, B and D. Right? We are joining these opposite vertices. So they have given the length of the diagonal, which is 7.5 centimeters. So we have marked the measurements what they have given in the question. Now to construct any quadrilateral we need to know the 5 measurements. But here in the question they have specified here you need to construct the parallelogram. So now we are going to use the properties of the parallelogram. You know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal, right? So here if AB is 6 centimeters, what is the opposite side of AB, which is nothing but CD? If this is 6, clearly you can observe that we got the 4 sides and the one diagonal. You know that these are the 4 sides and we got here one diagonal. Now based on this we need to construct the parallelogram. So here you can observe that which triangle you need to draw here. You have to draw here the triangle ABB. Before only we have discussed, if you want to draw a quadrilateral, if you have given 4 sides and one diagonal, you need to construct the triangle first. Now based on the rough sketch you will come to know which triangle you need to construct. You can construct first the triangle which is ABD, right? Here clearly you can observe that you need to construct the triangle ABD first, and after that you can mark the intersection point based on that. Now let us draw here the triangle with the help of the geometrical instruments. So here first what we need to draw? We need to draw a length of AB which is 6 centimeters. So here let us mark here 6 centimeters. So this is 0 and this is 6. So join these two points so that we got AB which is of 6 centimeters length. So writing here AB which is 6 centimeters. Now here you need to draw the triangle. So with vertex A make an arc of 4.5 centimeters. So here you know that in between 4 and 5 you will have 4.5. So here take 4.5 centimeters as length. Now here at vertex A make an arc, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeters. Since we need to construct the triangle first, so this length you need to take. What is the length of that one given BD which is 7.5. So here with the help of the compass take here 7.5 centimeters as a radius. So this is nothing but the 7.5. Now at point B make an arc of 7.5 because they have given the diagonal. So here we got one intersection point, and based on the rough sketch you will come to know that intersection point as D. So write it here D and join here A and D, and after that B and D. Clearly we have constructed the triangle. After constructing the triangle you need to mark the other vertices. What is the other vertices which is left out? Which is C. Now if you want to make the intersection point as C, again you need to make an arc. So here in the rough sketch let us see here what is the length of BC given which is 4.5. So at vertex B you need to make an arc of 4.5, and you know that the 4.5 lies in between 4 and 5. So here let us take 4.5 with the help of the compass, right? And from vertex B make an arc, draw an arc of 4.5. Now here if you want to get an intersection point from D you need to draw an arc of 6 centimeters. So here take 6 centimeters length. This is 6 and up to 0 you need to take it. So since we know the intersection point, at this point in this intersection point draw an arc here. Now here we got one more intersection point. Let us name that point as C. Now you can join B and C, and similarly you can join here C and D. Clearly we got here one quadrilateral, and name it as what are the measurements they have given which is 4.5, and this is also 4.5, and this is 7.5, and this is 6 centimeters. Like this you need to construct the quadrilateral if you have given 4 sides and one diagonal. In the next session we are going to solve the remaining problems of this exercise. From this session is completed.